Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a account on Indeed. So let's get right into it. Now, let me quickly just explain what Indeed is so that you guys are up to speed if you are not familiar with it. Indeed is pretty much a very similar application to LinkedIn in the sense that it is used for either finding jobs or seeking employees for your job and creating job listings. You can either select to be a job seeker or an employer. If you're an employer, you can put up job listings, as I've said, and search for employees who will apply to your job and much more easily manage them through the in-app messaging or application management system, or even message them directly through the instant messaging app. But you can also be a job seeker if you select that for your account and search for jobs using this screen right here, where you can input keywords, job titles, and so on and so forth. Search for jobs, save them or apply for them, create your own online resume, and even instant message your potential employers if you want to contact them directly. But yeah, as I've said, to create an account, which is the purpose of this tutorial, what you want to do is click on sign in. Once you do, you'll be taken to this screen here where you'll have to either input your email address, and let's say I input my email address, which is just this placeholder email. And as you can see, I already have an account through Google,